Hi everyone, tonight for supper I'll be making jalapeno popper deviled eggs. What all goes into the jalapeno popper deviled eggs? 6 eggs, hard-boiled and peeled. 3 tablespoons cream cheese, softened. 3 tablespoons mayo. 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard. 1 small jalapeno, finely diced. Seeds removed. This is a little bit bigger than a small one, so I'll probably use about 3/4 of it. 2 strips of bacon, cooked and crumbled, and I'm just going to be using the microwavable. 2 tablespoons shredded cheddar cheese. I don't have cheddar cheese, so I'll be using the Mexican 4 cheese, which has cheddar, Monterey Jack, mozzarella, and Colby. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt, and pepper to taste. Paprika for garnish, this is optional. And thin jalapeno slices for garnish, and this is optional. So let's begin. So take your 6 hard-boiled eggs, cut them in half lengthwise. Put the yolks in a bowl and the whites on the platter. Cut in half lengthwise, yolks in the bowl, and the whites on a platter. Take your yolks that you put in a bowl and smush them so they'll be easier to mix with all the other stuff. Put in your 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. I'm going to start smushing that up right away so it'll be easier to smush with everything else. But he's all excited because I made some bacon. He smelled it from the living room and he's been underfoot ever since. All right, so it's a little bit smoother than it was. Not perfect, but we'll move on to the next step. Then we'll put in our 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, our 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, our 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. I don't like a whole lot of salt, but I do like pepper. And then mix that until smooth. May not be so bad now that I got the other liquidy stuff in there, the mustard and the mayonnaise. Maybe the cream cheese will mix up a lot better now. Main thing I want to do right now is mix that garlic powder. I don't want a big clump of garlic powder in a bite. That would not be good. Take your 2 strips of bacon, cooked and crumbled, put that in there. 1 small jalapeno, finely diced, seeds removed. I did about 3/4 of a larger jalapeno. And the 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese. Mine is the Mexican 4 cheese. And then mix that in till it's all mixed. Wonder what Dave's going to say about these trick eggs. He hasn't mentioned trick eggs for a while. So that's mixed. Next, on to the next step. All right, so take each egg white and a spoonful of the yolk mixture and fill the egg. This is not real runny. Pretty thick. Try to remember to do this in camera's view, and I do have clean hands, so a lot of times you can't get anything done unless you use your hands. So I will finish that and then I will come back. So I have all of the eggs stuffed. Take your paprika, and this is optional, and garnish it with paprika. And this is for color mostly. And then to top it off, it says to thinly slice the jalapenos, but my jalapenos are so big. I'm going to take a little sliver of a jalapeno. I think these are kind of cute looking. So this is what they look like. I like the looks of the little strips of jalapeno. Put it in the refrigerator to chill until you're ready to serve. And when Dave gets home, We'll have him do a taste test. So here is the jalapeno popper deviled eggs, and running out the meal is a hoagie. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Trick eggs.
Yeah, maybe. They're not regular ones.
They're not too bad.
Those are jalapeno popper deviled eggs.
Sorry, I forgot I had my headset on.
Yeah, I'm not feeding information in there.
So the peppers are not real hot, and it's like bacon or something. So these are actually pretty good. I could do these on holidays.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.